Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Forerunner 965 for swimming. To begin, press the top right button on your Forerunner 965 to access the activity menu. Scroll down and select either pool swim or open water swim depending on your environment. If you're in a pool, remember to set the correct pool length, such as 25 or 50 meters, for accurate distance tracking. Ensure your heart rate monitor is active and GPS is enabled for open water. This initial setup is crucial for capturing precise data during your swim session. Once you start your swim, your Forerunner 965 will automatically begin tracking a wealth of data. It intelligently detects your stroke type, counts your strokes, and measures your distance and pace. For specific training like kick sets or single-arm drills, use the dedicated drill log feature to manually input the distance and time. You can customize your data screens to view metrics like elapsed time, distance, or pace in real time, helping you stay informed throughout your entire workout. After finishing your swim, press the bottom right button to stop the activity and then select Save. This action uploads all your valuable data. You can immediately review a summary on your watch, but for a deeper dive, sync with the Garmin Connect app on your phone or computer. Here, you'll find comprehensive charts and graphs detailing your pace, stroke rate, and even your SWOLF score, which is a measure of swimming efficiency. Understanding these metrics helps you identify areas for improvement in your technique and fitness. To get the most accurate data from your Forerunner 965, ensure it fits snugly on your wrist, about 1 finger width above your wrist bone. This helps the optical heart rate sensor perform optimally. Make it a habit to regularly sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app. This ensures all your activities are backed up and your device receives the latest software updates. Finally, personalize your data screens to show the metrics most important to you, whether that's pace, distance, or stroke rate, enhancing your training experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.